Mason Cash has been the choice of home cooks and bakers for centuries. The origins of the brand can be traced back to the year 1800 to a small church in England. The design has been virtually unchanged for over 100 years. This has made the brand renowned for its beautiful and iconic kitchen cookware. Today, we're going to look at everything Mason Cash. We're going to check out the different sizes of these bowls, color variations, and what you can use these bowls in your kitchen for. So, what's the story behind the name Mason Cash? The pottery was run by a series of master potters, with Bossy Mason being one of the most noted. Tom Cash acquired the pottery in 1901 and renamed the company Mason Cash and Company. You may be wondering what the number markings on the bottom of the bowl mean. There are many different sizes of bowls ranging from around 1 quart to over 10 quarts. This number doesn't correlate to how much the bowl could hold. Rather, this number refers to how many bowls could fit in the kiln at the original factory. Mason Cash bowls are handmade, and you may experience different shades of the cane color on your bowls. This is caused by temperature fluctuations in the kiln when being manufactured. Mason Cash tries to maintain the same temperatures in every production run, but even half a degree can make a slight difference. You can rest assured that these products are 100% genuine. Now let's take a look at the sizes of each Mason Cash bowl. Here we're using apples to help gauge how big each bowl is. If you guys have any questions about Mason Cash, feel free to give us a call or visit us on everythingkitchens.com.